guess what I just found as I was researching some of my tarot cards for your online dictionary? I found a completely free online tarot reading. So the site here is queenoftarot.com. Okay. So what we do is you go down here and you can choose whether or not you want to allow others to see the reading. So might as well do a reading for you. So let's see. What does my viewer need to hear? Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. It says here that our question will be fed into the shuffling algorithm to personalize our reading. I just did one and I found it absolutely accurate. So what I'm going to do is, you can choose whichever deck you want to choose, right? I'm going to go ahead and, reversal. Cut the deck, view the cut deck, tarot layout, I'm going to choose that one. Okay. And then we can choose whichever layout we want. So we can do Celtic Cross with reversals, just normal Celtic Cross, Grand Star. We can do all kinds of other layouts. I kind of like this. Madame Le Marchand, I think. How to tell fortunes from the cards. Why not? Okay. And you can see which tarot deck you'd like to view. So they chose right away. Let's see what else we have here. Ancient deck of Lombardy. All of them will have explanations no matter what we choose. I don't know, I kind of feel drawn to this ancient deck of Lombardy, so let's just do it. I've never tried it before. Right? And we'll see the different kinds of meanings. So now let's see what's resonating with me today. I don't know who this is. S.L. McGregor Mathers. Okay, I'm going with that person's meanings. Right? Okay, and the querent. We could choose the querent. Now, why do I feel like you're a queen of coins? I have no idea. Just following my intuition over here, scrolling all the way down, waiting for the page to load. Of course, it's slow while I'm recording. All right, and this was absolutely optional. I didn't really have to choose it. But yes, we could choose anything. Okay, and just like that, we click on perform the reading. Now, let's see what this has to offer us. Now, we do need to wait. It does take a minute for it to load. Let's see what you have. What does my viewer need to hear? We're scrolling down. So the querent is you, the queen of coins, like we chose. Right, and of course you can go onto the site and do it for free. So there we go, the visual layout of the spread that I chose. Looking interesting. Now, what happens is if you can't really see the cards, you can sort of hover over them and they will expand. It is a bit slow now because I'm recording, but they tend to expand if you need to go and look at them, right? And then below we'll have explanations of the meanings. The meanings of these tarot cards. So card number 1, the Knight of Coins from the Ancient Tarot of Lombardy deck. So, a useful man, trustworthy, wisdom, economy, order, and regulation. Interesting. So it looks like a useful man might be coming into your life soon. Perhaps a new employer or a teacher, perhaps a friend or maybe a love interest. But no, I don't sense that it's a love interest. I actually sense that it's kind of platonic, right? So let's see, where was that? They said it's card number 1, so I suppose the reading starts over here. If I scroll up, we can get a sense of it, right? And of course, card number 2 is that one. Let's have a closer look at what that meant. Card number 2, the Page of Cups from the Ancient Tarot of Lombardy deck, and this McGregor's divinatory meanings are a fair youth, confident, probity, discretion, and integrity. So it sounds like you're going to have one or more person coming into your life that is going to be fair, right? So, yeah, I think you'll find this very emotionally fulfilling. Let's see card 3, the 8 of Clubs. Interesting. Eight of Clubs, so understanding, observation, and direction. This really sounds like something very positive coming into your life. Eight of Clubs being Eight of Wands, right? Card 4. And it's very interesting how this is quite positive, whereas in the Rider-Waite, it could often be, the beginning of a fight. Five of Cups from the Ancient Tarot of Lombardy. So this one is union, junction, marriage, and inheritance. So perhaps I was wrong. Maybe a young person or a good person is coming into your life with a useful spirit, and it does seem like there's going to be some kind of union, some kind of partnership. But once again, it could be platonic. This is a general read, so we'll see another 5. Interesting how oh no, this is a 5, that was a 4. Presents, gifts, and gratification. It sounds like there's going to be some sort of celebration. 6 of coins over there. 6 of coins, pentacles in other decks over there. And now we've got card 6, the Chariot. Now this normally means that you've got to wait. It says there, triumph, victory, and overcoming obstacles, which is true, but you will notice this is often a misunderstood card. The Chariot often speaks about waiting before you go on the journey. Normally, the Chariot is kind of parked, so just consider that for a moment. And then we've got card 7, a fair man, goodness, kindness, liberality, generosity. It's interesting how this theme keeps coming up with different ages. See how he's more mature here, sort of more of a wise old sage, the masculine version of a crone. But then you've also got the youth over there. The youth. And earlier on, what did we have? We had sort of a knight. So this theme of a good man keeps coming up, but in different age groups. I find that very interesting. What do you think that means in your life? Once again, wands, the 10 of clubs. So we've got confidence, security, honor, and good faith. This is an incredibly positive reading for you. All right. So I hope that gives you an idea of how you could do your own readings and how you can use different guides and different spreads. And I hope that this reading resonated with you, if it did mean something for you. I hope it certainly did, because it was rather the positive reading. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. And be sure to check out thequeenoftarot.com. All right? I will put a link in the description. Okay. Bye for now.